I've always believed that the lawn is a place where you make your memories. And over the past 10 years since planting our lawn, a lot of memories have been made. And new ones are made every day. A lot of blood, sweat, tears, time, and love have gone into this lawn, and I'm sure proud of it. Over the past few years, I have had so much fun and enjoyed so much sharing my lawn with you. And today, I'm so excited to finally be able to share with you that my lawn can now be your lawn. Introducing Jimmy's Blue Ribbon Premium Grass Seed Mix. So this mix of grass seed here is an 80-20 Kentucky Bluegrass and Perennial Rye mix. This is premium, elite quality, blue tag certified, 0% weed seed, 0% other crop seed. This is the best I can offer you, and it is pretty much exactly what you see behind me here. And I even took it a step further and added some extra depth of color here. So we've got Mazama and we've got Full Moon in here, which is a shade of midnight. So you can expect a nice deep dark green color out of this mix, and I've been enjoying that color for 10 years now, and that's what was most important to me, and that's what the cool part of this story here is. This is the same company that made the same mix of seed that I've been using and buying for the last 10 years. I've connected with them, and we've formed a great partnership to be able to bring this to you. So this is coming from Nature's Seed. They ship locally here from Utah. They're right around the corner down the street from me. So for the last 10 years, I've been testing every aspect of this grass in my yard, what it can handle drought wise, what it can handle mowing wise, how it looks, how it reacts to different products. And I can honestly tell you that after 10 years of testing, it has my complete recommendation. Otherwise, I wouldn't be putting my name on it. So this is something I'm extremely proud of. I'm so excited to be able to finally bring this to market and make it available, so that anytime anybody asks me, what kind of grass do you have? Here you go. This is exactly it. So this is a very exciting moment for me. This has been a goal of mine for a while now, and I'm just so excited to share it with you. So link down below for more information. If you want to look into purchasing it, you can find out all the information you want to know. Special thank you to all of you who have subscribed and watched and followed along for these last few years. Wouldn't be possible without you, so I just want to point that out and say thank you again for that. Special thanks also to the great people over at Nature's Seed for making all of this happen. Again, information down below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. We'll have a conversation there. If you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing, and look forward to much more to come. That's going to do it for this one. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.